Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Genise and we discuss homemaking, homeschooling, and ways to make money online here on my channel. So if that sounds like where you're at right now in your life, then don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this one. Today we're going to be diving into the exciting world of the Amazon influencer business model. So first off, I wanted to start with explaining something because it took me a minute to really understand this when it came to Amazon. There is the Amazon affiliate program and then you have the Amazon influencer program. They are not one and the same. I used to see everybody with their cool storefronts and all of their lists and all of their links all in one spot. So I said, I want to do that. So I went onto Amazon and I applied to be an affiliate. And for the longest time, I couldn't understand where I could find my storefront, why I didn't have a storefront. With the affiliate program, anybody can get in, you apply for it, they give you tracking, and then you're able to go on Amazon, and for every product that you want to share with your family, your friends, your audience, they give you a personalized link for that product, and then you go off and you put it on your blog, or you put it on social media, in your Instagram story, wherever it may be. Influencers, they could do it that way, of course, bringing traffic from offsite onto Amazon. It's a lot easier for them because they could keep all of their links together in their storefront and they can make lists out of it. You bring them into your storefront or you bring them in with one link and then there's a bunch of other links, a bunch of other products to entice them. For the influencer program, however, not everyone can just apply and be accepted. For a long time there, I was denied. Amazon is very secretive when it comes to what their threshold is for accepting new influencers into the program. If I had to take a stab in the dark as to what Amazon is looking for, I would say it is high engagement. They put more emphasis on engagement than they do on following. I got into the influencer program not on my main TikTok account with over 1,000 followers. I got in with my TikTok that only had 27 followers but high engagement. So once you're accepted into the influencer program, you can start making your lists. And these lists can contain some of your favorite finds and purchases that you've made on Amazon. What I would suggest to you is to find high demand products first. So you're going to want to search for the best selling products in your niche. And there are several ways that you can do this. If you've ever noticed, at the bottom of the page, Amazon shows you customers also bought this, and they'll list off products that customers also bought. And those are the kinds of things that you're going to want to pay attention to. You can scout your competitors' product pages and their reviews, and this is solely for inspiration. Just see what it is that they reviewed. See if you could find something similar. So an important part to this Amazon influencer business model is you need to create engaging content. Content creation is the key to success for the Amazon influencer program. There are two types of content that you can create for your storefront and that can also be doubled and shared on your social media pages, and those are the videos and photos. The photos can actually be of you. They can be more UGC type photos where it shows you using the product or sitting in the product or eating the product, whatever the case may be. And then you also have shoppable photos. I'm going to be creating a homeschool essentials shoppable photo for this one. And so I'm just grabbing pictures of different products that I have listed in my storefront for homeschooling, and then I'm going to upload those photos into Canva. I like to use a square template for this type of project, so I just use a blank Instagram template and I take it from there. Once all of the photos have uploaded to Canva, I just start dragging them one by one and cropping them to the size that I want. Eventually I'll go in, I'll resize things, I'll make it a little bit smaller, I'll make some bigger, I'll move things around and play with it until I feel like it looks nice. And I make sure to leave enough space at the top in order to put a title. I like to keep these simple. Once you have everything situated the way you like it, download it. Now you're going to go back to your storefront, hit on create content and post photo. Once Amazon has it, they're going to ask you to tag the products that you used in the photo. You can then add a caption to the photo if you like, and then hit submit. And that's how you can get those aesthetic looking shoppable photos with several products listed on your storefront. Now, when it comes to the videos, it gets a little bit more involved. When you're an influencer, you can also apply for on-site commissions, another way for you to make money off of your videos. So when you make videos for Amazon and it goes on your storefront, those videos can also be placed on the product pages for certain products or as advertisement somewhere else, Amazon decides where they're going to place it. And if that video, that content is good enough and it makes somebody purchase that product after they watch a certain amount of your video, then you get commission for that as well. On-site commissions doesn't automatically get unlocked when you become an influencer. You have to unlock it. You only get 3 tries to do it, and you have to follow their guidelines. If you want me to talk about that a little bit more, I can do a whole nother video about that, because that does take some time and there's a little bit more involvement in that. Just let me know in the comments if that's something that would interest you. I did get my on-site commissions unlocked on my first try, and it happened within a week, when there are other people out there who are waiting several weeks to hear back from Amazon. So creating photos and videos and making them engaging can be a very good way to inspire people to buy the products that you are pushing out there. And you can make that content more impactful by showing yourself using the product, and sharing some pros and cons. So once you have the content, how are you going to promote it? If you have a blog, share it on your blog. If you, whatever social media accounts you have, share it across your social media accounts as well. And really utilize those images and those videos that you made to attract the audience and send them to your storefront. Another strategy is to really focus and hone in on your niche and what the problems are that your audience are having within that niche. And then round up useful products that you find on Amazon for them. This type of content not only provides value to your audience, but it also increases the likelihood that they're going to purchase the product that you're recommending because it's useful to them. So some of you may be watching me for homeschooling tips. Wouldn't you be more likely to buy homeschooling resources that I found on Amazon over, I don't know, doggy costumes if you don't have a pet? I mean, like, that's a stupid one, but you get the point. If you have an email list, don't forget to distribute the links through that email list as well. What you're going to want to do after all of that is to scale your business and expand your reach. Maybe create more lists. Expand the type of products that you're putting in your storefront. By diversifying your content, you can attract new customers. Again, having an email list is very important. You can attract new customers by using freebies, or what they like to call lead magnets, to get people to sign up. And finally, invest some time in growing your social media platforms. Yeah, I don't necessarily mean to increase your follower counts, and try to increase your engagement. And those are the fundamentals of the Amazon influencer business model. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe now, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.